Hello and welcome back to Ian's Gadget. In this video, I'll show you how to create a YouTube channel. Now, creating a YouTube channel involves several steps. Here's a general guide to help you get started. If you have a Google account, you can easily use it to sign into YouTube. If you don't have a Google account, you'll need to create one. Now, if this is the first time for you, here is a short guide to help you create a Google account. Begin by visiting the Google account creation page. Now, while there, you'll be prompted to enter your personal or business information on the account creation page. This includes your first name, last name, business name, desired email address, which will also serve as your Google username and password. The next step is to choose a secure password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Now, if you don't know how to go about this, you can check out my video on how to create a strong password. Google requires you to verify your phone number. To do so, enter your phone number and Google will send you a verification code to ensure that the number is valid. Enter the code when prompted to verify your phone number. Google provides options to add recovery information to your account, such as a recovery email address and a phone number. This is important as it will help you regain access to your account if you forget your password or get locked out. So make sure to add a recovery option to your account. Now you need to complete the registration by reviewing Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Then click on the next or create account button to proceed. Once your account is created, you will have the option to set up additional services such as Google Drive, Google Photos, and more. You can choose to skip this step if you prefer to set them up later. Now Google may send you an email to verify your account. In that case, open your email inbox, find the verification email from Google, and click on the provided link to verify your email address accordingly. That's it. You have successfully created a Google account. Now you can use this account to sign in to YouTube and create your YouTube channel. To create your YouTube channel, click on the user icon in the top right corner of the YouTube homepage. Then click on the Create a Channel link. Follow the instructions to set up your channel name and customize your channel's appearance. We now go through the simple steps to customize your YouTube channel. 1. For channel banner, click on the Customize Channel button in YouTube Studio or go to your channel homepage. Hover over the existing channel art or banner at the top of the page and click on the pencil icon that appears. You can then upload a new image or choose one from the existing photos. Adjust the position and crop the image as necessary. Preview it and click Select to save the changes. Now for the channel icon, also known as the profile picture, you can change it by clicking on the current icon located in the left corner of your channel homepage. Select Edit and choose whether you want to upload an image or use your Google account's profile picture. Crop and position the image as needed, then click Done to save the changes. Now, whatever you write as channel description will appear as about on your channel. Now, to do so, to customize it on your channel homepage, click the Customize Channel button and select About. Here, you can add a description to your channel, explaining your content, who you are, and any other relevant information. Make it engaging and informative to attract viewers. You can also include links to your website or social media accounts. At the featured channels section is where you can choose to showcase other YouTube channels that you recommend or collaborate with. To customize this section, just go to the Layout tab and click on Featured Channels. You can add channel names or URLs to display them on your channel's homepage. Now, the Featured Channel section helps you to endorse and promote other people or their businesses. Now, this is going to increase viewership for the other channels as well as bring in numerous people into your fold as well. So this feature offers you a chance to promote other channels that you think your viewers would enjoy. So in a nutshell, featured channels give audiences more required content. It's a source of more traffic for your channel and also a source of revenue and growing. It brings about high credibility because featuring channels on YouTube increases the channel's credibility among the audience. Just go to the Layout tab and click on Featured Channels. You can add channel names or URLs to display them on your channel's homepage. In the Customize Channel section, you can also create sections to organize your content. Click on the Add Section button and choose between different options such as Uploads, Popular Uploads, Live Now, Recent Uploads, and many others. You can also create playlists and add them as sections to highlight specific topics or series of videos. It is advisable to create a channel trailer for your YouTube channel. Now, this is a short video that introduces your channel to new viewers. It can give a glimpse of your content, your personality, and what viewers can expect from your channel. To add a channel trailer, go to the Customize Channel section and click on the For New Visitors tab. Select Channel Trailer and upload your video. Depending on the type of content you plan to create, you may need equipment such as camera, microphone, and video editing software. Ensure that you have the necessary tools to produce high-quality content. Start creating your videos based on your content plan. While at it, pay attention to video and audio quality, lighting, and editing. Use video editing software to enhance your videos and add any necessary effects or transitions. Once you are satisfied with your video, upload it to your YouTube channel. Now, for quicker success on YouTube, you need to know how to optimize your video titles and descriptions. When uploading a video, provide an attention-grabbing title and a well-written description that accurately reflects the content of the video. Use relevant keywords to improve the discoverability of your videos through search engines. It's also a good practice and important to promote your channel by sharing your videos on other social media platforms, your website or blog, and with friends and family. Engage with your viewers by responding to comments and building a community around your channel. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to YouTube. Hence, you should regularly upload new content to keep your viewers engaged. Develop a consistent schedule that works for you and communicate it to your audience. Another important thing to do as a YouTuber is to explore YouTube's features like playlists, end screens, cards, and annotations to enhance your videos and engage viewers further. YouTube also provides you analytics to help you understand your audience and video performance. Now, pay attention to metrics like views, watch time, and engagement to gain insights into your content's success. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. Stay dedicated, be authentic, and continue improving your content based on viewer feedback. Suppose you want to see quick results on YouTube, I'd advise you to incorporate TubeBuddy in your YouTube journey. Now, TubeBuddy is a powerful YouTube SEO, competitor analysis, and time-saving Chrome extension for video creators. Now, I use this excellent tool in all my YouTube channels to identify the keywords and tags to target for my videos. Using this tool will help your channel to generate constant views and subscribers. You can use the link in the description box to get started with TubeBuddy. We've come to the end of today's video. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. Also, share this video with your friends. I'll truly appreciate it. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.